done to attract top tier professionals from industry into academic teaching roles?
I think the best part has already happened in India. If you look at the national education policy in the professor of practice, I think that is really what is happening. So, an industry can spend a tenure with the university. And the second area that I feel is that to bring in industry professionals, it's also through peer teaching, where, typically a specialized program can be delivered like a team taught program, and also co-creating new things, like you're building a robot, so you have a robotic company working alongside, so that way you have an expert coming in and teaching together. Yeah.
How can colleges better align their global partnerships to benefit local students rather than just reputation metrics?
I think it is a very interesting phase that India is in. I was mentioning today as well that the already India has become a very big magnet for not just students but also for a lot of universities which are coming to India. So the global best practices can be shared and bring in a lot of academic rigor. So I think end of the day, the new knowledge that is built when the student studies at the university is very important. So I think getting them to do master classes, teach a particular area. For example, a lot of students of engineering who like to work with some of the German companies, they can have a kind of immersive learning when they go to visit for a short term program. Similarly, a lot of good programs are now, you can do a 2 degrees together, right, in terms of doing a full time course here. And there are a lot of massive open online courses available. So I think there is a lot that is happening thanks to technology.
What are the gaps between industry expectations and the actual capabilities of graduating professionals, young professionals, and how can academia fix this?
I think there will always be a bit of a lag because the pace at which the technology is moving in the industry is a lot. So what happens is, typically if you have to teach a student, it's to make them how to learn rather than learn only a concept. So they have to become like lifelong learners. So what happens is, you have to have industry professionals inside the curriculum classrooms. So what happens is, when your course is being delivered, a part of the course, some credits can go to the real life things that they do in terms of mini projects or certain hours that they spend in the industry. So that way they are more hands on. So a lot of micro credential programs are available. To give you an example, like for say business analytic course, we have SAS together, where we are offering the program. We have many other multiple ed tech giants who come together to the university to equip the students with the skills and competencies. And finally, I feel is that there is need for universities also to do a lot of research, which will help in design thinking. So where universities can also give those industries could give projects to the universities and work alongside.